Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to bake mac and cheese. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of elbow macaroni, 3 cups of whole milk, and a generous 4 cups of your favorite shredded cheeses, like sharp cheddar and creamy Gruyere. Next, melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a large pot, then whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create your roux. Cook this mixture for about 1 minute. Now, let's make that luscious cheese sauce. Gradually whisk in 3 cups of milk to your roux, ensuring no lumps form. Continue whisking over medium heat until the sauce begins to thicken, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's reached a nice, creamy consistency, remove the pot from the heat and stir in all 4 cups of your shredded cheese until it's completely melted and smooth. With your cheese sauce ready, it's time to assemble. Cook 1 pound of elbow macaroni until it's al dente, then drain it well. Gently fold the cooked pasta into your rich, creamy cheese sauce until every noodle is coated. Transfer this delicious mixture into a 9x 13-inch baking dish. For an extra golden crust, sprinkle an additional 1/2 cup of cheese or some breadcrumbs on top. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Your baked mac and cheese is almost ready. For the best texture and to prevent it from being too runny, let it rest for about 5 minutes after taking it out of the oven. This allows the sauce to set beautifully. Garnish with some fresh parsley or a dash of black pepper if you like. It's perfect as a comforting main dish or a delightful side. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.